Hi everyone. Today I will interview my team. Let's talk about our pet. Come on. พี่ Tony, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Dimbo. He loves shoes, especially mine.
Hi พี่เอก Let's talk about your pet.
I love horses. My beloved horse is Wasana. He is so very lovely and she makes noise every day. I always play with her.
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah, I think so.
พี่ต้อม Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a bird. My bird can say hello, but only when I'm sleeping.
Really? Pets are funny and make our lives happy.